Earnings can be a volatile time for any trader. Chaikin Analytics makes being aware of what is going on during earnings season a breeze. We can find earnings information in the top center of the header for any stock you choose to view. We can easily see recently reported earnings and a more detailed view of the information by hovering your mouse over the white EPS logo. We can also learn more about upcoming earnings in the same location for stocks that have yet to report this earnings season. Upcoming earnings date, and the green or red exclamation point you may see will tell us if there is important information that is positive or negative for the stock's upcoming earnings reporting, with more detail available by hovering your mouse over EPS. We can further look at previous earnings reporting dates on our chart by looking for the EPS logos. And we can hover our mouse over those logos to learn more detailed information about the earnings reporting.